This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. For all the luxury watch enthusiasts out there, it seems that the tides are beginning to turn, particularly for the once untouchable Rolex models. These timepieces, which were once considered the pinnacle of luxury and the ultimate starter symbol for serious watch collectors, now find themselves facing a surprising struggle. A brand that once boasted never-ending waitlists and long lines at authorized dealers is now encountering unexpected difficulties in selling some of its most coveted models. What happened in the golden days when owning a Rolex was a badge of honor, and everyone seemed to be clamoring for one? Let us dive into this shift. The Rolex models that were once notoriously hard to find are now beginning to appear with greater frequency in stores and on the secondary market. As a result, their prices are starting to dip. Is this just a temporary blip in the market, or are we witnessing a more significant change in the luxury watch landscape? For collectors, this could be an opportunity to snag a Rolex that was once out of reach. But with this shift, we must ask, at what cost? In today's video brought to you by the Luxury World, we are digging deep into the Rolex market to uncover the reasons behind this surprising turn of events. We will explore why some of the most sought-after models seem to be cooling off, and how the watch market as a whole is adjusting to new consumer preferences, economic trends, and shifting tastes. So, if you have noticed fresh-faced Rolex models with price tags that made you do a double take, we are on it. If you have not already, do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed on our latest content and updates. Rolex GMT. Let us turn our attention first to the Rolex GMT, specifically the highly sought-after Batgirl and Pepsi models. The Rolex GMT, known for its dual time zone functionality, has long been a favorite among frequent travelers and watch collectors alike. Among the various GMT iterations, the Batgirl, with its distinctive black and blue bezel, has been making waves in the market. Meanwhile, the GMT Pepsi, a model featuring a red and blue bezel, has become a somewhat elusive item, causing speculation that its scarcity might be a strategic move by Rolex. Whether it is due to intentional production pauses or changing market demands, GMT Pepsi's rising mystique is turning it into more of a legendary collector's piece than a functional timepiece. The GMT series is designed with utility in mind, providing a personal assistant for world travelers who need to keep track of multiple time zones. But with both Batgirl and Pepsi becoming more elusive, questions are being raised about the long-term appeal of these models. Will the mystique of the Pepsi model cool down, or will the Batgirl emerge as the true successor to this iconic collection? Rolex Daytona. Let us continue with the Rolex Daytona, a watch that has long been the epitome of sporty luxury. This iconic chronograph blends high-octane race car vibes with timeless elegance, making it a true standout in Rolex's lineup. However, despite its star-studded appeal and long-standing reputation, the Daytona is currently experiencing a bit of a sales slump. Models, especially those featuring the Oyster Flex bracelet, are seeing a slight price dip. It is as though the Daytona's market is taking a breather, recalibrating before the next big sprint. The Daytona remains a powerhouse of performance, with features like a chronograph capable of timing to the split second and a tachometric scale that lets wearers measure speed. It is akin to having a car dashboard on your wrist. Yet, despite all these advanced features, the current state of Daytona sales feels a little like a race car caught in a speed trap, revving its engine but not going anywhere. So, what is going on here? The market may just need a moment to catch its breath. Rolex has always been a master at adapting to market trends, so this current sales dip is likely part of a larger shift, one that could see the Daytona rise back to its former glory shortly. Rolex Sky-Dweller. Next up, we have the Rolex Sky-Dweller, a model that embodies luxury in both style and functionality. With its opulent gold case and an impressive array of features, including an annual calendar and dual time zone functionality, the Sky-Dweller has long been a favorite among the globe-trotting elite. However, as tastes in luxury watches begin to shift towards a sportier, more minimalist aesthetic, the Sky-Dweller's traditional grandeur may no longer be as appealing to today's watch consumers. Despite this, the Sky-Dweller remains a technical marvel, with its innovative ring command bezel and dual time zone system. These features marry luxury with practicality, making it a standout model in Rolex's lineup. Yet, the current market trends, favoring sleek, understated designs over bold, cheery pieces, pose a challenge for the Sky-Dweller. Can it maintain its status as a luxury icon while adapting to more subtle tastes? Rolex Datejust. Moving on to the Rolex Datejust, this model has long been celebrated as a versatile classic, blending timeless elegance with practical functionality. Over the years, the Datejust has become a mainstay in both casual and formal watch collections. Recently, however, the Datejust has seen something of a resurgence, with new dial options in mint green, vibrant blue, and the classic Wimbledon style making waves among collectors. While this increase in availability and diversity of styles has helped to breathe new life into Datejust, it also presents a challenge. The increased presence of Datejust in the market could dilute its exclusivity, potentially cooling its once coveted status among collectors and fashion enthusiasts alike. In a world where scarcity often drives demand, the more frequent appearance of this iconic model might be working against its mystique. Despite these potential challenges, the Rolex Datejust remains a beloved model, known for its pioneering automatic date change mechanism, introduced in 1945, and its signature Cyclops lens that magnifies the date display for enhanced readability. Its versatility, coupled with a sleek and elegant design, ensures it remains relevant and desirable. But with more models in circulation, it is clear that Rolex will need to continue innovating to maintain Datejust's position at the forefront of luxury watches. Rolex Submariner. Next, let us take a closer look at the Rolex Submariner, a model that has earned its reputation as the ultimate diving watch. With its sleek design and exceptional functionality, it has become the go-to watch for adventurers and watch collectors alike. While the Submariner is still a mainstay in Rolex's collection, it is now facing a more crowded and competitive market than ever before. Rolex Submariners, including the classic no-date version, are starting to appear with more frequency, and they are no longer disappearing off shelves as quickly as they once did. While the price range for the Submariner still spans from around $8,000 to $115,000, its once elusive status is starting to fade. The challenge now for the Submariner is to remain distinctive in a market that is becoming just as packed and varied as the ocean depths it was designed to explore. This luxury diving watch features a scratch-resistant ceramic bezel, a reliable self-winding movement, and unparalleled durability. It is a watch built for adventurers, designed to withstand harsh conditions while offering a stylish edge. But with more availability and the introduction of new variants, the Submariner faces the risk of being just another option in a sea of luxury dive watches. It remains to be seen how Rolex will keep this iconic model relevant in an increasingly competitive market. Rolex Explorer. Finally, we arrive at the Rolex Explorer, a model known for its understated elegance and robust performance. The Explorer 40, in particular, has garnered attention as a versatile timepiece that can handle both rugged outdoor adventures and sophisticated urban settings. With a design that features a luminous dial for enhanced legibility and a durable, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, the Explorer is built for those who seek adventure without sacrificing style. Yet, as the market for luxury watches grows and diversifies, the Explorer faces increased pressure to balance its rugged functionality with a modern, stylish appeal. As tastes shift towards more refined designs, the Explorer will need to prove that it can handle both extreme conditions and high-end social events with ease. We would love to hear your thoughts on the topic we explored in this video. If you found it interesting, please consider leaving a comment and giving us a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us. Be sure to follow our channel for more insightful content about the world of luxury. Thanks for watching the Luxury World. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and we look forward to having you with us on this journey.